Hey guys, so for this activity where we have to fire two people, um, the two people I chose were Amy and Craig. And the reason behind that is because the first thing I looked at was job skill, and both of them are average, not even good. And so I would definitely choose to fire the person who isn't the best at the job that they're doing. And so then the second reason I chose to fire Amy was because she had only worked at the company for 1 year, and she has no kids to support. I don't know if that's a bad thing to look at. And then the reason I decided to fire Craig is because he's been at the company 10 years and he's still only average. So clearly he's not getting any better or increasing in any way or moving up. And he's also younger and single and can probably find another job. Okay, thanks.